The option for Tuesday is the reproductive system, and it is about the birds and the bees, the anatomy and physiology version of it. The human species cannot survive without functional male and female reproductive systems. The reproductive systems play essential roles in the development of structural and produce offsprings, and they also are not necessary for the individual, but is for the human species. It has 4 functions: production of gametes, fertilization, development, production. And here's an image showing the differences: mammary glands, uterus, ovaries, whereas the male has the penis and the prostate gland. Gametes, reproductive, need to know about meiosis. And it's got a few steps to it. And it starts out with chromosome duplicated identical copies are called chromatids. And there's 46 chromosomes, consist of 2 chromatids connected by a centromere. Centromere is just a dividing thing that connects things. And when they are aligned in a process called synapsis.